in this video, I'm going to show you how to find profitable meme coins and buy them before anyone else. With crypto and meme coins, you always want to get in early and be one of the first people to buy it. The earlier you buy it, the more profit you can get. Buying early before everyone else means your profits compound. For example, if you bought a meme coin at a $25,000 market cap and the market cap goes up to 250,000, you just 10x your money. So how do you find meme coins early? You only need two tools. First of all, download the Chrome extension called TokenSpy. I'll have a link to it in the description of this video. So once you have the extension installed, if you scroll down, you'll see this trending tab right here. These are all tokens that are currently seeing a lot of buying activity. These aren't large market cap tokens that you've already missed out on. These are ones that are currently heating up and we actually have an opportunity to make a lot of money on. So let's open up one of these. And let's see, it looks like the top holders here, this wallet is probably, yeah, this is Pump Fund. So we can actually ignore this top wallet. This is just, this is just from the Pump Fund wallet there. But all the rest of the distribution looks pretty healthy. And if we come back here, for now, because this token is a Pump Fund token, and it hasn't yet reached the bonding curve, you can ignore this score. Sometimes the score will be incorrect because of that. So let's go ahead and grab the contract address. Let's open it up here on Dexscreener, and let's take a look. Oh, we can see this thing is about to reach the bonding curve. So right off the bat, this one might be one we want to jump in on. For the sake of this video, I'm not actually going to be buying that with you here because that would kind of kill what I'm trying to show you, but you can see this is a decent example. We caught this one relatively early on, and you could jump in and buy this around $40,000 market cap right now. And if this thing does run up to 100, 200, 500K, you're making a really good profit right here. So let's refresh this page and check out a couple more tokens now. So what you can also do is kind of look at the market cap here, and you'll see certain tokens here have like a decent market cap, right? We want to go for one that has a decent market cap. Let's check out the top holders. That looks okay. Let's copy the contract address for this one, but we're not going to be buying that right now. And so if we come back here, here's another token that is looking decent. It's in terms of entry, like $40,000-ish is decent opportunity to make some good money if this thing goes up, into a couple $100,000 market cap. So this is what I'm talking about. It's the perfect way to find tokens where their market cap is still relatively low and you have a lot of room to make a lot of money. So this extension is exactly what I personally am using these days to find tokens as they start trending. And jump in before they've really blown up. And look, this one looks like a legit token. This isn't bot activity from what I can see. Market cap's about 65K, and it is looking decent here. This is how I made a ton of money. Literally, this token just successfully migrated, and we could have jumped in right before that, and now could potentially be watching this thing run up to like a few 100K. The reason I like this Chrome extension so much is because not only does it show these trending tokens here in real time, but you can also open them up individually and look and see like their token distribution, how many holders are having each chunk of tokens, and look at like different factors here really quickly to see like, is this thing potentially going to be a scam, or is this something I should maybe look into buying? This token showed up over here in the Chrome extension, and I jumped over here and opened this chart, and it showed when it was about probably around like $70,000 before it actually hit bonding. And now look, this thing's running up to it was up over $200,000 just about a minute ago. So this is what I'm talking about. This Chrome extension is seriously the only tool that you really need to download. And it works really, really well.